Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, I am Khalid Mahmud, and today's video we will learn how to create exercise 22 step by step in AutoCAD. This is easy and beginner friendly guide. So even you are a beginner just starting out, you can follow along very easily. Don't forget to check the description for PDF file of this exercise. Before we start, please take a moment to do please take a moment to like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more AutoCAD tutorial. So let's begin. Step 1. Setting up your workspace. First, ensure your units are set in millimeter. To do this, type UN, enter and choose millimeter from the drop down menu. Check as a decimal, press OK. Step 2. Creating the right side circle, diameter 19 and diameter 9. Type C for circle command. Click on your screen, D for diameter 19. Again press enter to activate last command. Click on your center point of last circle, D for diameter, press 9 as a diameter. Now step 3. Drawing the left section as you see in this image, this one. This radius will be 9.6 will be outer or inner will be 4.5 as a radius. So C for circle, click on center point, radius will be 9.6. Press enter. M for move, L for last object, enter. Click on your first point and put it left side will be 78.3. Press enter. Select the circle. M for move. Downside it will be 28.8. Press enter. C for circle. Create inner circle. It will be 4.5 radius. So 4.5, enter. Again select both circles. CO for copy. Downside it will be 12.8. Press enter. L for line. This coordinate point to this one. Again this one to this one, as same as for inner. Now use TR for trim, T for cutting edge. Select all these lines, press enter and trim inner part just like that. Okay, now we are going to create these arcs and also this one. Okay, so use a circle command as a tangent circle. So C for circle, TTR, enter. First this circle, second this circle. Put a value as a radius 100, enter. Now again C for circle, TTR, enter. First this circle, second this circle and put a value as a 80. Press enter. Now need to trim unwanted circles. So TR, double enter, trim this one and also this one and this one. Select both these circles, E for erase. Now step 4. Adding the horizontal slot. As you see in this picture, we are going to create this one. So C for circle, click on the center point and put it as a value 6.5 radius. M for move, L for last object, enter. Left side it will be 48, enter. Again M for move, L for last object, enter. Upside it will be 16. Press enter. Now need to create inner circle. C for circle, click on center point, put a value as a diameter, D, enter, 6.5, enter. L for line, click on this coordinate point to this coordinate point. Now we need to use fillet command. F for fillet, R for radius, put a radius value as a 4, enter. First this line to this line. When you click this one, you see very carefully this line it will be deleted. need to just put a small setting. F for fillet, T for trim, there is a no trim. Then R for radius, for enter. Select this line to this circle. Again this line to this circle. Now need to trim unwanted lines. So just zoom in this portion. Now TR double enter. Need to trim this one, also this one, and this one, and also this one. If you want to trim this one, also fine, no problem. Now select all your diagram, go to properties, need to add line thickness. Now step 6, finalize the drawing, clean up any extra line using trim command. Make sure dimensions are accurate by using dimension tool, DIM for dimension command. Otherwise DLI for dimension linear command you can use. From here to here 48, now here to here 78.3, from here to here 12.8, and now also from here to here. Your exercise 22 drawing is complete. How easy was that? If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumb and share with your friend. To support my work and get access more exclusive content, join our YouTube channel by clicking join button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss any update. See you in the next tutorial. Tata, bye bye, take care.